Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to tie a baseball glove knot. So first, as simple as it is, you're just gonna untie the knot first, like so. Okay, so now you can see that the glove knot is untied. Okay, so now you've got the untied glove knot. You got two strips of leather here, right and left. And first thing you're gonna do, I would like to turn the glove around, or you can do it like this. It's fine. It's all up to you, personal preference. Just gonna make the rough side come on top like this. And now you can go either left on top, right on the bottom, or the right strip of leather on top and the left one at the bottom. It's all up to you. So first, I'm gonna go with left on top first. So left on top first. Gonna make sure like this. And when you do it, you will want to make sure that oh sorry, tricky. Okay. First thing first, when you make the first knot, you need to make sure that the knot itself, the laces, I don't know, it's called strip of leather, whatever, these laces need to be vertical to the welting. Like you see, here's the welting. So you kind of create like an X shape here, or cross, whatever you call it, like so. And the second knot, you're gonna do the second knot. For the first time you go left on top, right at bottom, and for the second knot you're gonna do it the opposite. So right on top, right on top, right on top, right on top, left on the bottom, like so, and pull. Okay, so now you've created a baseball glove knot. This is how you will tie a baseball glove knot. If you do it the opposite way, you sometimes will find that the knot is at the end is vertical to the welting, which is also personal preference. If you want your glove to look like that, but this is how normal or traditional tie will look like. You want to tie it, make it tighter, you can pull here and here, or maybe here, to make the glove knot tighter. Okay, I'm just gonna demonstrate again with here, with the strip here. It's really easy to tie glove. Now I'm gonna do it the opposite way. So still, I'm gonna make sure the rough side is up, facing you, and then first time I'm gonna with the previous knot I do left on top, and now I'm gonna do right on top. So right on top, at the bottom, same procedure, like so. Well, I'm gonna make sure that the rough side is also on top. Okay. Wait. A little bit tricky. Okay. Now, still you can see strip of leather, vertical to the welting. Now, so when you make the second knot, it will go horizontal or parallel to the welting. Okay, so the second knot, left strip of leather on top, right strip of left, the one at the bottom, like so. Oh, sorry. Wait a second. Yeah, right on top, the bottom, like so. Adjust it a little bit to make it prettier. Okay, so now you can see that the strip of leather is parallel to the welting, and this is how a normal glove knot is made. So now I'm demonstrating 2 knots, and there, this is how you will make your how you tie your glove knot. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like it, please give it a like, and do remember to subscribe and share video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.